Next, access the elements responsible for displaying the current round text. Use the getElementById to access the element with the ID of current round and assign it to a constant called current round text. So let's write const and then the name of the variable would be current round text and assign it to the document. So we are interacting again with the DOM to manipulate the CSS and HTML in our JavaScript, and we use the method getElementById to get the ID of that element, and that ID would be the current round. You should do that also in the second one. Then use getElementId to access the element with ID of the current round roles and assign that to a constant called current round role text. It's const and then the current round rows text. Assign it to document and then the get element by ID. That ID would be the current round rows. Don't forget the semicolon. Should use const to declare variable name current round. Oh, whoa, what? Document get element ID to target the current round element and assign it to your current round text. What? Did I not do that? Perhaps we're missing something. What? Hmm, something is missing. Let's debug. You should use the document get element by ID. So let me copy paste this just to be sure. Okay, to get the current round. Oh, okay, that would be D. So I apologize, but that would be it. Nice.